Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRNG, and I know it's the end of the week, but we are going to take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Normally, maybe we'd look at the weekly time frame, but I think the 60-minute just really does a good job of keeping the chart simple and does a great job of kind of breaking down what's been going on and then what you want to see happen going forward. So let's first start off with, maybe you've already seen it, but the really obvious thing on this chart in terms of supports is this yellow line right here. This is the 200 period simple moving average, and you can see multiple times the price has come down, a few times dropped below it, a few times like right there hasn't quite hit it. But the point being, there's all sorts of price history right around this level. So first and foremost, the big level of support right now that you want to see the chart and price continue to hold is going to be at $3.13, and again, that is the 200 period simple moving average, that yellow line. So that's support level number one that you want to keep a close eye on. The next level of support is also a moving average, and it's the younger brother of the 200 period simple moving average up here, the 50 period simple moving average, and that level is valued at $3.20. You can see multiple times, well, not multiple, just a couple of times there and then there. The price tried to get above it, it acted as a resistance, so but then when the price did break above it, the nice move followed. So this is the other level of support. And then lastly, and I'll call this the ideal level of support, meaning ideally, if you were to ask me what level would I want to see hold, it would be right here at $3.25. Get that changed green, and you can see here that acted as resistance, resistance, and then resistance once again. So $3.25 would be the best case scenario. But again, if the price does fall below it, it's not like you don't have any other support. So keep that in mind. Now, in terms of resistance levels, pretty cut and dry here. We have this level right here, which I'm going to call $3.33, 333. That's pretty easy to remember. So $3.33 is the current level of resistance. You can see, I don't mean to point at the obvious, but the past 4 days the price has really just been bumping its head right around this area. After that, might be a little bit of a speed bump up around the $3.38 mark, but then really the next level of resistance would not be then up until $3.50, which is the previous high from that one crazy day over there. So obviously one step at a time. First got to get through $3.33, but some nice potential here for a possible big move and this chart obviously, as you can see here, has history of big moves. So potential here of a big move between the $3.33 and then $3.50 up there. So good looking chart still. Nice to see that it was able to maintain above this, and even on the daily chart, it's working on putting in a new set of higher lows, so that's always encouraging to see. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for the ebook, which you can do up there. And as you see, if you do, you'll get a free ebook with your newsletter subscription. You'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. And if you like the video and want to learn more about charting and put it in your trading tool belt, I'd encourage you to check out our course down there, over 8.5 hours of video. Been getting really good third-party reviews. So like I said, if you want to add technical analysis to your trading tool belt, I'd really encourage you to look into that trading course. One more time, this was VRNG 60-minute chart. Thank you for listening, and have a good weekend.